if I should stay or be alone. Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm overthinking every move you make. And I can...
After completing the brows, I'm moving on to starting my eye makeup. As you can see, it is packing my color beautifully on the crease. I'm moving on to shading my outer corner. Now I'm just shading a more black shade. It's a very dense packing brush, perfect for merging the shadows. This brush is also good for packing the pigments. As you can see, that it blends as and when it applies. I'm gonna pack the black eyeshadow on top of the brush, and I'm gonna start shading. With the 112 stippling brush, I'm now going to prime the face. I'm going to color correct her skin. As you can see, it allows the concealer to buff really nicely because of its shape. I'm now going to be using my foundation.
I'm just waiting for the fight, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep...
I'm now going to use my loose powder, translucent loose setting powder. It's perfect for setting the rest of the base. And I'm going to pack a bright purple eyeshadow right in the lower lash line. This brush can be used for precision blending. As you can see, I'm now going to line her waterline with a lavender cream color.
If I should stay or be alone.
Little bit of pigment on the inner corner. With this beautiful SS109 specialized nose contour brush, I'm now going to contour her nose. You can use the goat hair brushes, which are specially made for blushers. You can use those as well. But for me personally, a big powder brush works beautifully. The brush is definitely allowing me to apply along with merging the highlight. With the SS116 body highlighting brush, I'm now going to highlight her body. Some finishing touches, and the look is complete. So this is the look that I've come up with. If you did enjoy the tutorial, do let me know in the comment section. Would you like to see more of these videos? Until then, goodbye people!